Just wanted to show a spot welder that I built today. The solenoid from a motor scooter arrived today. It was $6.50. The rest of this I already had laying around. The battery starter, a piece broke off of it. It wasn't useful for battery starter anymore, so I can use it for spot welder. Have a momentary switch here to flip the solenoid. Getting 12 volts out of here. Don't be fooled by the USB look of it. That's 12 volts to control the solenoid, and can even shine a little bit of light on the work, because this was an emergency light as well as a car starter as well. Put the two pieces together, the nickel strips, put the electrodes on, it's hot, but it's solid.